Nestled within the evolving landscape of a suburban neighborhood, the retreat embraces its 1850s farmhouse origins with a harmonious blend of past and present. By carefully removing mismatched additions, the designers introduced tailored updates that preserve the home's authenticity while enhancing its functionality for modern living. A weathered steel fence encircles the property, lending a sense of quiet seclusion. Within this sanctuary, a manicured lawn, winding stone paths, and stately shade trees evoke a timeless calm, even as housing developments have replaced the once expansive fields surrounding the homestead. Adjacent to the farmhouse, a crisply detailed gabled garage reflects the architectural language of the original structure. Accommodating 2 vehicles and ample overhead storage, it seamlessly integrates form and function. A covered walkway with screen panels bridges the space between the garage and the house, creating a sheltered yet open connection. This transitional passage culminates at a glazed entryway, where modern transparency contrasts with the farmhouse's modest exterior, inviting light and warmth into the heart of the home. Inside, the retreat celebrates materiality and simplicity, where exposed timber and brick converse with sleek steel and subtle white finishes. The centerpiece of the main floor is an original masonry fireplace, now flanked by a striking suspended steel staircase that anchors the design. This stairway ascends to the private bedroom suite, nestled beneath the home's pitched roof. Here, fully glazed dormers invite sunlight to flood the space, framing tranquil views of trees and sky. The intimate suite, complete with a bedroom, bathroom, and integrated laundry, epitomizes thoughtful design. Together, the retreat's understated modernity pays homage to its farmhouse roots, striking a balance between respect for history and a confident embrace of the present.